Hello everyone, I am Antoniо Bashur, and today let's bake the chocolate financier. This French treat, famous by his soft inside and crunchy outside texture. You can easily recognize his traditional rectangular shape and small size. For my financier, I love to use Barjona Grand Cru Guanaja 70% chocolate to obtain a pronounced and deep flavor. Let's start making the batter. I will prepare chocolate 70% financier. It's very nice to make a petit four. The ingredients: chocolate Guanaja 70%, cream 35% cream, egg white, butter, melted butter, flour, confectioner sugar, almond flour, and baking powder. We're gonna use the mixer with the palette attachment. First, we're gonna put all the dry ingredients: the almond powder, the flour with the baking powder together, confectioner sugar. We wanna mix in low speed. We add the egg white to the dry. We add the cream. When you're working with chocolate, everything needs to be at room temperature. The cream needs to be at room temperature, the egg white needs to be at room temperature, the chocolate needs to be at 45 degrees Celsius, and the melted butter needs to be about more than 30 degrees. Okay, we add the cream after the egg white. We scrape the bowl. We scrape to be sure that no lump will be in the financier. We add the melted chocolate. Like I said before, need to be at 45 degrees. We add the melted butter. Okay, and we want to mix in low speed about 1 minute. Most of the financier, we need to make brown butter to give this aroma and flavor, nutty flavor to the financier. In this case, I want pure chocolate. We have a nice 70% chocolate. I don't want to have any distract flavor of the chocolate. If we make the brown butter, we taste like hazelnut chocolate. I want completely dark, bittersweet chocolate financier. This is the final texture. It's nice, creamy, thick between liquid and butter. We wanna bake in this petit four silicone mold that is 5x3. The good thing about this financier, you pipe the leftover, you can keep in the fridge for a few days. You need to take out like a 1 hour before at room temperature before you want to use it again. Because it's chocolate, they will be set and they will be a little bit hard to work when it's in the fridge. Okay. Okay, we're piping. We want to pipe about 3/4 of the mold, and then we want to tap a little bit, and we want to bake 165 Celsius about these very small pieces. They will be baked in 4 to 5 minutes. Right now, go to the oven, 165, about 4 to 5 minutes. It's a small piece that will bake very, very fast. We take it out from the oven, take about 5 minutes. You see it's nice, rustic financier, but inside it's moist and tasty. If you want to eat this right now, today, you keep at room temperature. Otherwise, you can keep it in the fridge for a few days, or you can store it in the freezer for 1 month. My chocolate financier is ready. It has an amazing aroma. With minimal effort and time, I make a wonderful dessert. I like the idea of one bite dessert, which weight is just 10 grams. They serve as a nice complement to your tea or coffee. Make this traditional French dessert and enjoy its flavor and texture.